Hi, my name is David, and welcome to my very first tutorial. We're going to take Perception Neuron motion capture data files, broadcasting into Facerig Studio, and there we're going to export an FBX, import it into Blender using my favorite add-on, Facerig Pro. In a brief overview, we're going to take full body motion capture data being broadcast out of Access Neuron. And inside of Facerig Studio, we're going to take that broadcast data and combine it with our facial animation, where they'll be synced together. We'll export an FBX, and then in Blender, we'll import that FBX. They'll import in as empties, and then we'll take those empties and manually create a T-pose. Then take all those empties and convert them into bones. We'll bake the data from empties to bones, and then we'll take the new armature, bring it into Facerig Pro for retargeting. We'll do some prep work prior to retargeting, and then some minor editing after retargeting. So, let's get started. Thank you. See you there.